everybody. Today I have a iPad Air 2. It was sent in from the store. If they remove the screen, they get a discount on the repair. And it's going to be hard to see, but this connector is. Will it focus? Well, it won't focus. So as you can see, this connector has seen better days. Look like someone's charger got stuck in there and everything's mangled. So we're just going to replace the whole connector. On this one, it's not too hard to do it because I don't have to remove the whole logic board on this one. And I can do it manually here. What I got to do is get the battery disconnected somehow, some way. And by doing that, I think what I'm going to have to do is I have to remove this. Let's see, wet a little bit. So this is just alcohol, so I'll put around there just to loosen up all the connections. So, and then what I want to do is run it hand down onto the side of this board so that it'll get through to the adhesive that's holding the board to the actual housing. Down there a little more. What I want to do is I want to lift it up a little bit so I can get something underneath the battery connection. Don't fry the battery. Need to get this cable out of the way. It's not going to come off too pretty. Okay. Goes. Alright, got that cable out of the way. Battery is disconnected. Why the screw is not there? Don't know. Gonna make connection while I'm working on it or not. A tool in there. There it goes. So just doing that little bit of alcohol just really helped the board to release the board. Alright, so what I can do next is I have some. I'll take the wrapper off this razor blade and stick it where the battery is. Alright, so the battery should not be making connection now. So the only thing I need to do is remove 2 screws. Move this tape. Remove this tape. Remove these 2 screws. Alright, so now this should just come up easily because I've already loosened it. Yep. And goes. Now I'm gonna take this over to the solder station and we'll get a better look at it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this here just so that out of the way. I see some of the factory flux residue is in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some low melt solder. It doesn't even look like some of these were even, like this one was not even tacked down. But I'm going to put some low melt solder on these pans and then I'm going to be able to pull this right up. Alright, so with the screen there, let's give it a moment of truth. Is it charging and is it turning on? Oh, I gotta hold down the battery connector. Because the screw is not there for the battery. So it's not gonna charge just yet, but hold on. As soon as I press down on the board, and good charge. I'm gonna have to plug it, replug it. Oh, there you go. About 1 amp with it on. When it's powered on, it's charging a little bit slower, but it's okay. Let it boot. There it goes. Boot it up. I guess the battery's not charged enough to be on. Oh, it says battery sign right there, but it's still charging. That'll be it. Working. that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.